In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly replace a photo in Canva. Let's start by getting the right image selected. Click directly on the photo you want to replace on your design. You'll see a highlight or bounding box appear around it, confirming it's selected. This matters because Canva will replace whichever element is active. If your image is inside a frame or used as a background, selecting it first ensures the new photo snaps into the same spot and shape without shifting the rest of your layout. Now, look to the left-hand menu. If you want to use one of your own images, open the Uploads tab to access photos you've already uploaded, or add a new file from your computer or cloud storage. If you prefer to use Canva's library, open the Photos tab. You can type a keyword into the search bar to find a specific style or subject. Give the thumbnails a moment to load so you can clearly see your options before you drag. When you've found the image you want, click and drag it from the left panel toward your canvas. Keep your mouse pressed as you hover over the image you selected earlier. You'll notice the old image highlight change, or the frame will show a preview of the new photo. That visual cue tells you Canva is ready to swap it. Release your mouse to replace. The change happens instantly. No need to delete the old picture first. If the wrong element replaced, press undo right away and try again, making sure the correct image is selected before you drag. This simple drag and drop is the fastest way to keep your layout intact while updating visuals. With the new image in place, take a moment to fine-tune it. If the photo sits inside a frame, double-click to reposition the subject within the frame, then click Done when it looks right. To resize, drag the corner handles so the image scales proportionally and stays sharp. To reposition on the page, click and drag the image into place. Canva's Smart Guides will help you align it with other elements. If you need a tighter composition, use the crop tool to trim the edges without distorting the photo. Zoom in if necessary for precise adjustments, and step back to check balance and spacing across the whole design. That's all there is to it. Select the image, choose Uploads or Photos, drag your new picture over the old, release to replace, and adjust until it fits perfectly. With this workflow, you can refresh designs in seconds while keeping everything neatly aligned.